Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Adobe Express. This is a really useful feature when you want to make your text clickable, whether you're creating social media posts, flyers, or any other design where you need to direct viewers to a website or specific page. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will take you to the main Adobe Express dashboard where you can start creating your design. Now click on Start New Design. This will open up a menu with various design options. From here, select Custom Size. This gives you the flexibility to create a design with dimensions that suit your specific needs. After setting your preferred size, click Create New File to open a blank canvas. With your canvas ready, look over to the left sidebar. This is where all your design tools are located. Click on the Text button. Once you do that, you'll see an option appear in the upper left corner that says Add Your Text. Go ahead and click on that. This will place a text box onto your canvas where you can type whatever you'd like. For this example, let's rename the text to something like Visit Our Website. This creates a clear call to action that viewers will understand. You can type any text you want here, whether it's a button label, a clickable phrase, or any other text element that needs to link somewhere. Next, right-click directly on the text you just created. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Link Options. This is the feature that allows you to transform your regular text into a clickable link. A text field will appear where you can add your URL. Simply paste your link into this text field. Make sure you've copied the full URL beforehand so you can paste it quickly. After pasting the link, you'll notice a check button beside the text field. Click that check button to confirm and apply the link. Alternatively, you can just press Enter on your keyboard and the link will be applied automatically. And that's it. Your text is now a clickable link in Adobe Express. Anyone viewing your design will be able to click on that text and be directed to the URL you specified. This is perfect for adding website links, social media profiles, or any other destination you want your audience to reach. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.